Because if you're just going to believe what she says, then I believe I have the right to fight on behalf of what I have to say, and we need to be able to play those phone records.
You're going to go do that. You're going to go do that pre-sentence report.
Phone records today.
A pre-sentence report can make or break a defendant's case. It's the probation department's written assessment of who you are, and it goes directly to the judge before sentencing. In Jefferson County, Texas, Corbin Raley had already taken his plea. All he had to do was cooperate with probation and keep his composure. Instead, Judge Raquel West received a memo, and that memo said probation would not complete the report while Corbin Raley was still on bond. Jefferson County has seen its share of pre-sentence hearings, but not like this one. That is where this hearing begins, and it is the kind of moment that stays with you long after it ends.
Good morning.
Good morning. How you doing?
I'm okay. How are you?
Pretty good.
So you're Corbin Raley?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Raley, you were here just last week or the week before.
Yes, ma'am.
And you pled guilty to an offense, and you were told to go to the probation department and do a pre-sentence report.
Yes, ma'am.
And I've gotten a memo from them that has some unfortunate information in here about how you acted while you were there and visiting with them.
Yes, ma'am. I was over the phone when the lady was arguing and stuff. I just wanted the information on when I was supposed to meet the dudes. That was it. And
That's not how this reads.
they
They were so frustrated with you that they said they will not do a pre-sentence report while you're on bond. So do you know what that means?
my bond had to be paid off.
No, that means I'm going to revoke your bond
Okay.
and you're going to go to jail.
Yeah.
And then they're going to come to the jail and do the pre-sentence report. And you're going to be respectful to them.
Corbin Raley isn't the first defendant to lose his freedom during the pre-sentencing phase. Here are 3 documented patterns showing what happens when defendants can't hold it together before the judge even sentences them.
Or I don't have to go along with this plea agreement.
Yes, ma'am.
So listen, it's time to get a whole different attitude about all of this. I understand. I remember now when you were here, you don't like the whole situation.
No,
Hang on, don't overtalk me, because that's going to show me what you're doing to them. Okay. Now it's just the time to listen.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And just do what you're told. There's not an excuse for what you did. That's not, you didn't just try to ask for some information. Okay. They wouldn't have sent this. They're very, very patient.
I just want to let you know I got a whole different view about it on the whole situation now too. I just got to meet my son for the first time on Friday. So
Well, this is very unfortunate.
Yeah.
So you'll, but here's the thing. There's no reason for you to still not get this probation.
Under Texas Code of Criminal Procedure Article 42.252, before any sentence is handed down, the probation department must submit a pre-sentence report to the court. That report covers everything: criminal history, substance use, mental health, family background. And here's the part most defendants don't realize. If they interfere with that process, the court can pull them off the street, place them in custody, and have the report completed from inside a jail cell.
But I don't have a choice now but to get this pre-sentence report done. So I'm going to, hang on, I'm going to revoke your bond in your case at this time. You're going to go with the bailiff. Probation's going to come to the jail. They're going to do this pre-sentence report. Probably not today.
do I get a new bond today?
I'm not giving you a bond because you couldn't act right while you were on bond, which shows me that you see where I'm.
Yeah,
the
can
problem-
we just like revoke the deal and take it to trial? I can't afford to go to jail, please.
You're going to jail regardless. Why?
Yeah,
Because, do you want me to read the memo?
the whole thing. Yeah, can we play the voice recordings of the phone call in here today too, if that's the case? Because if you're just gonna believe what she says, then I believe I have the right to fight on behalf of what I have to say, and we need to be able to play those phone records.
You're going to go do that. You're going to go do that pre-sentence report,
Phone records today.
and you're going to go and hopefully be respectful and hopefully get this probation and not ruin your life over this. This is very-
How long if you think I'll be in
It's
there?
a very temporary situation. Mr. Rojas can come back and talk to you. I'm revoking your bond at this time. I find it's in the best interest until sentencing that there not be a bond. You can go back with the bailiff.
Corbin Raley walked into Judge Raquel West's courtroom in Jefferson County with a guilty plea already on record and a pre-sentence report standing between him and his sentencing. That report was supposed to be his opportunity, a chance for probation to tell the court who he was, what his circumstances were, and whether he was a candidate for community supervision instead of a prison cell. Most defendants treat that process as the most important interview of their lives. Corbin Raley treated it like an argument. And by the time Judge West finished reading the memo that probation sent, the question was no longer whether he might get probation. The question was whether he could hold himself together long enough to find out. The drug test the judge ordered before he even left the courtroom added another layer to an already complicated picture. His pre-sentence report will be completed, just not the way he planned. And what it says and how he behaves while it's being written will determine what happens next at sentencing. That outcome has not been decided yet, but the decisions Corbin Raley made at the probation office and in that courtroom have already shaped it more than he probably understands. He had one job before sentencing: subscribe to Court Archives Official and stay in the room. Like if Judge West handled this exactly right. Comment below, did Corbin Raley do this to himself, or did probation overreact? And share this with someone who needs to see it.